Hello guys, Mr.J here. Welcome back to another tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to build the half cube. So get your dominoes and let's start building. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get this started. What we'll need is our dominoes, obviously, and a bulk dominoes template. Or an H5 structure template, whatever you have. Or just any ordinary structure template, but in this tutorial, I'm going to use a bulk dominoes template. So here's how to make the half cube. It's not as hard as it looks, I promise, but you're going to line up your dominoes like this, like you're building a normal structure. These are just a little bit. And the next part, you're going to do this. And what you're going to do here is so this is what the base should look like, mainly. So as you can see here, we have 8 dominoes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, yep, 8 dominoes here, 6 dominoes here, 4 dominoes here, and 2 dominoes here. The next part you want to do is stack them on top of yours like that. Just like that. And then you do the same on all of them, like you're building like a 2-layer tower. Bingo. Now that the base is done, the next part you want to do is that you want to make this layer right here, basically a three-way tower, separating. It's going to be separate from all the other towers for now, but we're going to set, and this domino is going to be set right here, right here. You set another domino like this, like that. You set dominoes like this, like that. And then on this side, you're going to do this, place some like you're building like a pyramid almost. And then you're going to place down one domino right here. Set another domino right here. Another domino right here. And then set another domino like this. This domino goes here. And then that. There's another one. Not the final one. This right here. Actually, not really the final one, but the final one of that later. Now we connect these two. That one right here. See, this one is already connected, so yeah. Connect those. Connect that right here. And then connect that. Make a zigzag with these on the edge of this half cube. So the half cube should be something like that. And then you set that one right here. And you continue making that right there. You fill in these like you're building an actual cube. you don't even have to. You don't even have to make the. This is not like a half pyramid. Don't worry. This is just a normal half cube. And from there, you just keep going. So you repeat the towers now. Yeah, that's right. So every 4 layers, you repeat from scratch. And when making a structure, you want it to be at least around 8 layers, 8 or 9 layers, or might actually make it at least 10 layers. 10 layers. Right now it's 5 layers, but it's not going to work with just 5 layers, so more layers. So my big half cube is still right there in case anyone wonders. I'm not done over yet. I won't until later when I'm done building it. So. 6. And just like that, the cube is now done. You can go as high as you want, but I'm just gonna, for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just gonna make it this high. And yeah, and the way how you want to topple this is completely up to you. I'm gonna use a small large set here. Alright, here we go. Or you can just, you can start this in the chain reaction, or you can do what I did in Dax Domino's Screen Link and other videos as well. You can make another half cube right next to it, and it'll look like one big cube, even though it's just half. But it's the way how you want to topple is up to you. But anyways, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Now sometimes you'll have one of the towers still standing, and it's not the end of the world if that happens, but good thing I didn't. But yeah, that's the tutorial for the half cube. If you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys make this video or make the half cube as well, let me know in the comments, and feel free to share this video with someone who might not know how to make a cube. Anyways, I'm Mr.J, and thank you for watching.